Okay guys. Okay. Actually this topic for our topic for today is really funny, right? Walang hiya. Yung topic natin ay walang hiya. Okay. This is really funny, right? Actually ito yung kumbaga nakaka-intimidate pakinggan. Walang hiya. Pag sinabing walang hiya, kumbaga pumapasok sumasagi sa isipan natin yung mga masasamang tao, di ba? Pero mind you, that personality na shameless, kumbaga walang hiya, kumbaga in short, walang hiya. That's the kumbaga strategy to kumbaga to success, or isa yung tools kumbaga para makumit kung ano yung pinapangarap mo. Okay, as a very example, okay, kung nakikita mo yan sa lahat ng mga influencer, kumbaga they are just having fun, they are not they are not minding the criticism, the downfall, kumbaga the bashers, also the businessman, okay, sa kakasimula pa lang nila, talagang wala talagang tatangkilik sa business mo, okay, pero hindi nila iniinda yun, hindi sila nahihiya, okay, to advertise, to showcase their talent, their skills, sa lahat, okay, kailangan nating i-equip yan, yung walang hiya, okay. Sounds funny, right? But that's the reality to gain or to reach success. Shameless, walang hiya. Okay, naku. Alam nyo ba, eto trivia lang, okay, trivia lang. 100%, okay, 100%, okay, based on my studies or experience, okay, walang hiya lang ang nakakapag-exceed or nakakamit lahat ng kanilang dream. Yung mga taong matalino pero nahihiya, kumbaga, sila yung mga taong andyan pa rin, nasa likod pa rin sila, sa takot nila na baka mapahiya, kasi nga nauunahan sila ng kumbaga ng takot, kumbaga they are overthinking it, okay, kasi nahihiya sila, kumbaga ay ayoko, pero they are fully equipped with knowledge, okay, theory, pero hindi nila kayang i-apply kasi nahihiya. Pero yung mga taong walang hiya, kahit they are not fully knowledgeable, but they are shameless to showcase their skills, or kumbaga ano nga ba yun, they are shameless to showcase their invention or their talent, kahit hindi sila fully talented, but they are equipped with shameless attitude. They are closely to gain or to aim or to reach success. Di ba? Bakit nga ba tayo kailangan maging walang hiya? Okay, example, this is the one example, okay, talking to camera, okay, magsasalita ako sa camera, sa harapan ng camera, okay, siyempre nakakahiya to, di ba? Promoting my videos into someone's, baka sabihin nila, oy, grabe ka naman, ang yabang mo dun, ay, boy, baka sabihin nila, no, hindi ako nahihiya. This is what makes me happy, right? This is what makes me happy, okay. Bakit naman ako mahihiya? Okay, sige, gumawa ka ng video, gandahan mo, okay, gandahan mo, tapos balikan mo ako kung gaano ka-importante yung walang hiya, okay, that's it, okay. Kung pag sinabihan ka ng, uy, grabe kapal talaga ng mukha nito, ginawa mo yung ganun, as long as you're not doing wrong, you are not harming someone, hindi ka nakapasakit, nanakit, hindi ka nakakasama sa lahat, okay, as long as you're doing right without any hesitation, You don't have to bother yourself stopping your ambition. All you have to do is just to ignore them, okay? Wala kang pakialam sa kanila. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga pangarap mo, huwag kang mahiya, huwag kang mahiya. Ako naman eh. Diyan lang tayo tumigil. Pag mali na talaga. Pero pag alam natin hindi mali yung ginagawa natin, ignore them, okay? Swallow the criticism, the hate, the bash. Just swallow it. That's it. Lahat ng yan lilipas. Lahat lang yan lilipas, okay? Anything would actually possible if you were shameless. Okay? Yeah, that's it. That's the secret of success, okay? Number 1, example na naman, lahat ng mga entrepreneur, business, okay, salesman, sila yung mga walang hiya. Okay, door to door walk-in, kumbaga introduce or advertise, lahat yan. Artista, walang hiya yan. Sila yung napakakupal. Okay. 'Di ba? Imagine ikaw na mismo na kinakain ng hiya, kinakain ng kaba kasi nga takot ka sa opinion or ayaw mong mapagsabihan ng masama galing sa ibang tao na walang ginawa. Okay, kahit i-bash ka ng i-bash, as long as ito lang, ilagay mo talaga to sa isipan mo, as long as you're doing right, okay? Even you are called as a shameless man or a shameless person, the only thing you have to do is just to ignore them, okay? Ignore them. Just keep going. That's it. Ito lang. Balikan mo sila pag naging successful ka. Balikan mo lahat yung mga taong nagsabi na hindi mo yan kaya, ganyan. Balikan mo. Tapos ipamukha mo sa kanila. Kung anong narating sa taong walang hiya. Oo. Day 1, sasabihin nila, grabe talaga to, wala talaga tong yan, di na nahiya sa mga ginagawa niya. One day, you will be praised. Sasabihin nila, nung una, binabash pa yan, ngayon, anong naidulot sa kanyang walang hiyang ginawa? Di ba maganda? That's it. Everyone would actually wondering why you are doing that kind of thing, because hindi nila alam kung ano yung pasok, ano yung laman ng isipan mo. Kasi hindi sila ikaw eh. Okay? Nagiging walang hiya ka lang kasi hindi nila naiintindihan kung ano yung ginagawa mo at ano yung nasa isipan mo, tsaka ano yung vision na natatanaw mo sa plano mo, okay? Ngayon, magiging idol ka lang nila pagkatapos na maging successful ka lang. Okay? Talagang magiging successful ka dahil ginawa mo lahat. Ginawa mo lahat yung mga kawalang hiyaan yan. Lahat ng komedyante. Okay, alam nyo ba yung lahat ng komedyante, kawalang hiyaan yan. Okay, lahat po. Matatawa ka lang, pero hindi mo na-i-imagine kawalang hiyaan yan, okay? Pero sila yung napaka-outstanding. Sila yung hinahanap natin. Kasi we are full of stress, problem, struggles. Ano yung hinahanap natin? Pampawala ng stress. Ano yung pampawala ng stress? Comedy. O, di ba? Kawalang hiyaan din yung hinahanap natin, di ba? So, mabuti yung ginagawa mo. Kawalang hiyaan nga. Kasi hindi lang nila naiintindihan kung anong pinagagawa mo. Okay? That's it. Ang kailangan lang natin para maging successful, hindi tayo mahihiya. Just endure. Okay? Endure the trash talk, hate. That's it. You would actually successful someday. We are all gonna be successful, okay? So, hanggang dito na ako. Dahil alam ko, hindi ko na kailangan pahabain. Tsaka alam ko naman, mabilis kayo nakakaintindi sa lahat ng pinagsasabi ko. Marami na tayong example na ibigay, kumbaga, hopefully, it would actually boost your personality. Kumbaga, isa kang shy person, kumbaga, introvert. Pero kailangan natin to speak out, to excel, or kumbaga, to showcase what we have inside, okay? Kailangan natin yan, okay? Okay, that's the key to success, okay? Huwag kang mahiya, kupal. Maging kupal tayo lahat. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Malupiton, kupal ka ba, boss? Okay? Have a good one. Sana nakatulong.